Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial on how to transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada. Now I will show you a couple of things, what you can do in order to transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada. Now the first thing that you can do is you can send money to anyone pretty much outside of the Bank of Canada or Royal Bank of Canada. So first thing that you can do is basically you can go to move money here in your app. From there, you can send and Interac e-transfer. So this is basically a transfer of money. You can click here. You can select your account, right? Select if it's a checking account or a saving account. From which account you're basically moving money. And once you have that, you need to just type in the amount, right? So type in the amount, click done, and then you need to select the recipient. So from the recipient, as you can see, you'll basically have email addresses and stuff like that. So we can go to, for example, G Raymond here. And as you can see, you have notify recipient by email or SMS. You can also choose email or SMS. Here you can add a security question. So create a security question to answer that only your recipient will be able to answer. So make sure that you have this right there, right? Now, obviously, you can consult or call your recipient afterwards and you can tell them the answer. Here you have the message, so just type in the message, what you want, thank you for lunch, for example, click done and then continue, and that will pretty much be how you can transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada. You just hit send now and hit finish and that's it. Now this is called Interac e-transfer. Now second thing that you can obviously do is you can go to move money and then select send to RBC client if you're just sending to a Royal Bank of Canada client, and then choose a from account and enter the amount and do the same thing that I showed you right here. So that's pretty much how to transfer money on Royal Bank of Canada. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.